Hey, Daddy, what doing?
Oh, hey, Jeffy. I'm just checking my emails.
Oh, can I watch, Daddy?
Nope.
Ooh, I have an email from Goodman. I wonder what it... Jeffy, don't look. Don't look. I'm trying.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling it?
Okay. Thank God.
Daddy, you better turn that back on.
What? No, Jeffy. You weren't supposed to watch that. It's inappropriate.
Hey, Mario.
Ariola said she doesn't like you.
I mean, what are you doing here?
Why do you always do that?
What?
Every time I come over, it's... What are you doing here? It's not... Hi, Rosalina!
Is this the Krusty Krab?
All right. Jeffy, you get to choose one toy.
One toy, Daddy?
Yeah, one toy, so make it count. Which one you want, Jeffy? What? You like that toy?
Nope.
What?
I heard somebody wanted to get shot.
We now return to your regular programming.
Ariola, why don't you like my daddy?
Because he smells like fish.
Oh, he's really a nice guy.
No, he's
you
not.
You don't have to kill him.
Yes, I do, Jeffy. We already went over this.
Well, do whatever you have to do, Ariola.
Okay, Jeffy.
That was so sweet of you to buy that doll for Jeffy, Mario.
I wish I would have bought it. Jeffy! Jeffy!
Daddy, come here.
Jeffy, stop making that face!
Not the fidget spinners. No.